Good morning children. Today 4th class mathematics. In previous class we have to discuss about exercise 4.3 B bit, that is find the values. 1 to 6 questions we are finished. Today we have to discuss about 7 to 12 questions. I will explain 7, 8, 9. Remaining 10, 11, 12 have to complete in your maths notebook. I think you all are completing. Bhuvanachandra, are you writing or not regularly? Okay. Next. See, first of all, the given numbers like sleeping line. We have to arrange the given numbers. Solution. First, 7 finger gap. Again 1 finger gap. 2 finger gap. 4 into 3, 6, 36. You also arrange the numbers like this only in your notebook. Number to number you must leave the finger gap. Okay. Why? Because easily understanding the problems. First you have to multiply ones place to given 4-digit number. Here ones place 6 is there. This 6 to multiply these 4 numbers first. After tens place number to multiply these all numbers. Okay. First 6 fours. 6 is in ones place. 6 fours. How much, tell me? 6 fours 24. Don't write 2 digits at a time. Side write down. 4 content right here. 2 write down. Next place regrouping. 6 twos 12. 12 plus 2 14. 4 content right here. Again 1 in the next place regrouping. 6 ones 6. 6 plus 1 7. 6 sevens. How much? 6 sevens 42. Here any number now there means you can write down directly. Ones place completed means keep 0 in the ones place. Next start multiplication with the tens place number to this all. Here we are starting tens place. 3 fours 12. Write down side. 2 cut time right here. 1 write down in the next place regrouping. Tens place carrying I am showing with the box. Okay. 3 twos 6. 6 plus 1 7. 3 ones 3. 3 sevens 21. Here any numbers not there means I am writing directly. Now you can add these two numbers. Okay. First ones place. 4 plus 0 4. 4 plus 2 6. 7 plus 7 14. 4 cut 10 right here. 1 write down in the next place regrouping. 1 plus 2 3. 3 plus 3 6. 4 plus 1 5. 2 as it is. So our answer is 2,56,464. Now go for the next question. 9,200 into 49. First you have to arrange the given numbers. 9. After keep finger gap 2 0 0 into 4 9 49. You have to multiply ones place to given 4-digit number. 9 into 0. If you multiply any number to 0, we will get 0 only. 9 into 0, 0. 9 into 0, 0. 9 twos, 18. 8 cut 10 right here. 1 write down in the next place, regrouping. 9 nines, 81. 81 plus 1, 82. Ones place completed. Keep 0 in the ones place. Now tens place. 4 into 0. If you multiply any number to 0, we will get 0 only. 4 into 0, 0. Again 4 into 0, 0. 4 twos, 8. 4 nines, 36. Here not there any number means you can write directly. 36. Add with the addition these two numbers. Now 0 plus 0 0 only. 0 plus 0, 0. 8 plus 0, 8. 2 plus 8, 10. 0 cut 10 right here. 1 write down in the next place, regrouping. Don't write two numbers at a time. You can write down side. 1's place cut 10 right here. Remaining number write down next place, regrouping. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 6. 9 in the mind. Take 6 fingers. 9 after. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Here also write down side. 5 cut 10 right here. 1 write down in the next place, regrouping. 1 plus 3, 4. Now the answer is 4,50,800. Next. Here they given 8,560 into 69. This 4-digit number have to multiply by 2-digit number. First you can arrange the given numbers. 8, finger gap, 5, finger gap, 6, finger gap, 0. Into 6, 9, 69. 9 into 0, 0. 9, 6, 54. 4 cut 10 right here. 5 write down in the next place, regrouping. Okay. 5 9s, 45. 9 5s, 45. 45 of 45 plus 5. It is 50. 0 cut 10 right here. 5 write down in the next place, regrouping. Okay. 9 8s. How much? 9 8s, 72. 72 in the mind. Take 5 fingers. 72 after. 73, 74, 75, 76, 77. 77. Here any numbers not there means you can write directly 77. 1's place completed. Keep 0. Now start with the 10's place multiplication. 6 into 0, 0. Why? Because if any number multiply with 0, we will get 0 only. Now 6 6 36. 6 cut 10 right here. 3 write down in the next place, regrouping. 6 5 30. 30 plus 3, 33. 3 cut 10 right here. Remaining 3 write down in the next place, regrouping. 6 8s. 6 8s 48. 48 plus 3, 49, 50, 51. Here any number not there means I am writing directly. Now we can add these all numbers. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 4, 4. 0 plus 6, 6. 7 plus 3, 10. 0 cut 10 right here. 1 and next place regrouping. 1 plus 7, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. 5. Okay, the answer is 5,90,640. Same like this you have to finish 10, 11, 12 in your notebook. Okay. Today your homework is doing math notes. That is exercise 4.3 B-bit 7 to 12 problems. This is your homework. Do in math notes exercise 4.3 B-bit 7 to 12 problems. Okay. See here. Page number 93. Page number 93. Here 7, 8, 9 I explained on the board. Copy this. After you can complete 10, 11, 12. In your maths notebook you can write down neatly. This is your homework today. Thank you.